Hello everyone, I'm Seda. Today I will talk about need statement and requirement specification. We prepared this presentation by making use lecture notes L03 and L04. Let's get started.
Hello, my name is Ferhat Bozkurt. Today I will speak about result of our research. When we do research on the internet, we can produce these waves as an audio signal with a mobile phone by designing it with an op-amp or MOSFET transistor or with an integrator like XR2206 and such that integrates, or we can use Arduino or Raspberry Pi, but we cannot go up to 15 megahertz for the signals we produce, although we can go up to 14 megahertz with the AD9850. We can't get what we want. The most important part of this project is that such a design example has not been made, or if it has been, there is no example on the internet. Of course, there are signals generators that can research these frequencies, but they are not accordance with the project domains. Currently, we can research this frequency level and higher frequency by using crystal oscilloscopes, but this is more complicated, hard, and costly. For example, frequency combiner, it's really costly application. We will do this with a microprocessor as in today's signal generators. We will convert the digital signals we have the obtaining thanks to a software into electrical signal with the digital to analog converter. We will be able to see instant value that will provide us with the convenience of using the Type-C plug or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module, which we will control with the processors. The main difference between our generator and the existing ones is that it is simpler and cheaper. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Furkan Amcaoğlu. Need statements. Minimizing the cost is one of the most important needs. It is necessary to establish a quality connection with the smartphone and to optimize the software. The signal we produce must be of good quality and have a high frequency range. Different waveforms should be produced. Objective statement. Doing a lot of work with less staff to reduce costs. To control the frequency range and the voltage of the signal using a high-performance language such as Android or with a ready-made program. Tools required for connection. DCO, Windows-based serial software, USB sound card, audio cable for connection with PC, aux cable for connection with DCO. In order to reduce the efficiency and noise of the signal, we should use a low-pass filter. And in order to increase the frequency of the signal, we should use the Nainsky sonic method and optimize the operation by modulation. The main wave is square wave. Other wave types are its derivatives. The 555 integrated and capacitors in the generator we have created will converge to our requirement with the potentiometer that shapes that frequency with different reflection. Thanks to listening.
Hello, my name is Hasan Hüseyin Altuğ. I will present the marketing and engineering requirement. Here, I will first talk about each of the marketing requirements and their description. The system should be low cost. We aim to produce at low cost so that the system can be supplied. The system should be easy to set up. Users can install the system without support. The system must be portable. In case of need, it will be in suitable size to take it to the area of need. The system must be capable of operating at high frequency. I will appeal to users' need in terms of usability. After that, I will talk about engineering requirement and their justification. And the system will be able to operate at 50 megahertz frequency. It will work as a signal generator. This frequency value is the value requested from us, and this value that will appeal to the user will be provided. The system will be able to operate from a 9-volt source and will use low milliampere current. In terms of cost and availability, 9-volt batteries will be used. In case of need, the requested value of the system will be provided with the voltage regulator. The response time of the system will be at the level of microseconds. User should not keep wait since we will control it with an ideal processor. The response time will be quite low. The accuracy of the system will be 95%. There is a margin of error in the system. However, high accuracy will be achieved by optimizing this processor and using its performance. Thank you for listening to me.
In this presentation, I will talk about correlation between the engineering and marketing trade-off. Our product we designed. We determine waveform length, output voltage, response time, and accuracy as engineering parameters. In the marketing trade-off, easy setup, portable, capable of operating at high frequency, and finally cost were determined. And if we give an example of the correlation between these two different parameter types, we can say that the higher the efficiency, the more negatively our price will be affected. And another presentation. In this table, we compared the engineer parameters with another engineer parameters. For example, there is a high positive correlation between output voltage and accuracy. And another table is there. In this presentation, you can see the striking difference between the high price product and the low price product and the product we designed. I would like to underline that product we designed with this presentation is both packable and reasonable, like this. Thank you for listening to me.